Well, hello everyone. Assalamu alaikum. A lot of you requested that this app over here on Android simulator, it doesn't work. But it works in my case and I have done some settings. So I just wanted to let you know that it works. And I'll show you how you should do the setup for Android Studio. So as you see, it works. Okay, all right. But for a lot of you, it doesn't work. So to do that, first you need to come to this file over here, this Android manifest.xml, and over here you should do this settings. This one you should use this clear text traffic true, and this one after that, as well as this one. So that should be your first setting. Most of the settings coming here in this file. And the second one is if you set up base URL, which I have because we are dealing with the Restful API, for Android emulator, instead of 127, which is localhost, it should be 10.0.2.2, okay, and whatever the port number you use, and it should work. And that's what worked with me. Once again, you see I'm restarting, okay, and you see it works. So hopefully this video is helpful. Thank you.